Next, we are here to predict the hybridization and shape of O2F2. Same thing, oxygen has 2s2, 2s, 2p. So once again, oxygen O2F2, the two electrons of 2p will be like this, two lone pairs. So this is one fluorine, this is another fluorine. Therefore here also hybridization will be sp3 with two lone pairs. But here the shape of the molecule is totally different. How you study the structure of hydrogen peroxide? Like that. It's called open book structure. Hybridization is sp3. Shape is open book structure. Very, very important.